Dog food that is killing dogs. Do you know 40 dog food that is killing dogs? Due to lack of information, many times we feed our dogs some such domestic food items which are like poison for the health of dogs. Although human food is safe for us, it is not necessary that the same human food is safe for your dogs or puppies. Being a responsible dog owner, the dog owner must know which domestic human food is dangerous for their dog or puppies. In this video, you will know the most common 40 domestic food items which are like poison for the health of your dogs. Number 1. Milk and milk products. Cheese, butter, and cottage cheese are products made from milk. All these products are harmful to the dog's stomach. The fat in milk and milk products is very high, not easily digested by the dog's stomach. Dogs and cats love milk, but milk products are especially toxic to dogs. You can serve your doggy some milk replacers like soy milk or contact to the veterinarian. Number 2. Cat food. Cat food is for cats, and dog food is made for dogs. Dog food is made keeping in mind the physiological needs of dogs. Cat food contains more fat and protein than dog food, which is not good for dog's health. The dog's body does not need the nutrients that are put in cat food. Number 3. Chocolate. Chocolate is one of the toxins for your dog. Chocolate and foods made with chocolate are toxic foods for dogs. Chocolate mainly contains a compound called theobromine, which turns into xanthine, which badly affects your dog's central nervous system. Number 4. Xylitol. Xylitol is a sugar substitute found in human foods such as candy, chewing gum, and many baked sweets. Xylitol is an artificial sweetener that is used as a substitute for sugar. It is used in sweetened human foods such as baked sweets, chewing gum, toothpaste, and candy. Xylitol, a human food product, is extremely toxic to dogs. Number 5. Alcohol. Dog owners often share their drink with their canine or puppy due to a lack of information, which is not right for your pet. The liver of dogs is not able to process alcohol easily. As a result, the dog's liver can be damaged. Number 6. Coffee. Coffee contains caffeine, which is a powerful stimulant because of which heart problems can increase in dogs. However, taking caffeine with coffee increases the energy level of the human being. But it can almost give your dog a heart attack. Number 7. Confectionery items. Any type of confectionery food is dangerous for your pup's health, as confectionery foods contain excessive amounts of sugar and cream. Confectionery items can be harmful to canine health, due to which the dog may also have obesity, dental problems, or diabetes. Number 8. Soda. You will surely be surprised to know that soda is harmful to dogs. Soda is more physically dangerous to dogs than to humans. The main reason for this is the caffeine supplement mixed with soda, which, as you may know, can be very toxic to your dog. Number 9. Salt. Giving salty food to the dog would not be a good decision. Do not give salty food products to the dog at all, no matter how much the dog is begging. Sodium present in salt is poison for dogs. Eating an excessive amount of salt for a dog can also cause dog death. Number 10. Raw fish and meat. Giving raw fish to dogs is harmful to their health. Uncooked fish contains bacteria like salmonella and some parasites that can be dangerous for dogs. Yes, you can cook the fish properly and give it to the dog to eat. Raw meat and fish come under the category of super toxic foods for dogs. Number 11. Fat trimmings. You must be thinking about how meat can be harmful to dogs. Yes, both cooked and uncooked meat trimmings are bad for dogs. Number 12, tobacco. We all know how dangerous tobacco is for humans. So it would be best if you had understood how dangerous tobacco could be for dogs. It is well known that tobacco contains nicotine, which can be very toxic to your dog. Marijuana, tobacco, and all such things are toxic foods for dogs. Number 13, almonds. Dog experts say that we often have sweet almonds in our homes that are not toxic to dogs. Yes, but bitter almonds are poisonous to the puppy. Bitter almonds should be avoided by feeding dogs. But sweet almonds can also be toxic to your pup if you feed the pup more than 2 almonds. Number 14, popcorns. The high levels of sodium and fat in popcorn can lead to dehydration now and subsequently obesity in dogs. Popcorn is high in sodium and high in fat. Feeding popcorn can lead to dehydration and obesity in dogs. Number 15, apples. Apple seeds contain a compound called amygdalin, due to which apple seeds are poisonous. However, apple pulp is not poisonous. While giving the apple to the dog, must remove its seeds. Dogs do not chew food properly, and there is a possibility that if a large piece of apple is swallowed, it can get stuck in the dog's throat. Number 16, oranges are fine for dogs to eat, while citrus oils used medicinally are harmful to dogs. Citrus oil has insecticidal properties, which can cause liver failure in dogs. Number 17, coconut. Coconut does not figure in the list of toxic foods for dogs. But still, they should not feed coconut to dogs because eating it can cause gastric problems and abnormal bloating in the dog. Number 18, nutmeg. Nutmeg contains a compound called myristicin which, if swallowed in large quantities by dogs, can cause a dog's heart rate to increase and hallucinations to occur. Number 19, peaches. Although the peach pulp is nice for dogs to eat, the pits of peaches hold amygdalin, the same thing found in apple seeds, which releases cyanide, which is harmful to dogs. Number 20, currants. Even though true currants are not toxic to dogs, many currants are small raisins made from Corinth grapes. These cause the same toxicity issues for dogs as regular grapes and raisins do, probably leading to kidney failure. Number 21, rhubarb. Although humans eat rhubarb pie with great taste, eating rhubarb pie by dogs can cause kidney failure. Number 22, leeks. Leeks belong to the allium family and are known to be toxic to dogs. Leeks belong to the allium family, such as garlic, onions, shallot, and chives, which are poisonous to dogs. Number 23, garlic. Garlic is one of the most toxic foods for dogs. Garlic comes from a plant that contains an organosulfur compound that is very dangerous for dogs. Number 24, mustard and mustard seeds. Mustard and mustard seeds contain a toxic compound called gastroenteritis, which can cause inflammation in a dog's stomach or intestines. Mustard and mustard seeds can be extremely dangerous for your dog's stomach. Number 25, yeast dough. Consuming uncooked bread dough can be remarkably deadly for your dog because the fermenting yeast gets rapidly absorbed in the bloodstream, where it generates enough ethanol to produce alcohol poisoning. Additionally, yeast dough can rise as it moves through the digestive system, potentially twisting the stomach, a situation that can lead to death. Even if the yeast doesn't cause a life-threatening emergency, it can seriously bloat your pup's stomach, causing intense pain and discomfort. Number 26, cherries. Cherries contain cyanide releasing amygdalin in their pits, which is a health hazard to dogs. Cherries can be more dangerous because their pits and cherries are too small in size, allowing dogs to eat them. When keeping cherries at home, you should keep them out of reach of dogs. Number 27, Onions. Onions are one of the Allium genus plant group, and onions contain an organosulfur compound that can cause anemia in dogs. Whether onions are boiled, seasoned, or mixed, all types of onions are harmful to your dog's health. Giving onions to dogs can make your dog look very weak and tired due to the oxygen circulation. Number 28, Green tomatoes. Raw tomatoes do not fall under the category of dangerous food for dogs, but green tomatoes do come under lousy food for dogs. Green raw tomatoes or the leafy part of tomatoes contain a toxin called solanine that can cause gastrointestinal distress in pups. Number 29, Green potato. Green raw potatoes are a highly toxic food for dogs. Solanine is a glycoalkaloid found primarily on green potatoes or raw potatoes, and this solanine is very toxic to your dog's health. Green raw potatoes and potato peel are also very harmful to the health of dogs. Potatoes and potato rinds contain chalcone that can cause disorders of the dog's nervous system and kidney function. Number 30, Chives. Chives are another food in the allium family, which, like garlic, leeks, and onions, can be toxic to dogs in large quantities. The consequences for your canine eating chives are serious as they can damage a dog's red blood cells, which increases the chances of them bursting and can cause anemia in the dog. Number 31, Acorn. Acorns are number 1 among all the toxic foods for dogs. Acorns contain gallotannins, which are dangerous for a dog's digestive system. Acorns can also cause internal damage to the puppy's stomach, intestinal obstruction, and kidney disease. Number 32, Wild mushrooms. Mushrooms grow in abundance during autumn. There will always be a chance that your dog may eat one of them while taking your dog out for a walk. Mushrooms like fly agaric, jeweled deathcap, and autumn galena fall under the category of wild mushrooms. This type of wild mushroom can damage the dog's body cells. As a result, your dog's kidney or liver can be damaged. Number 33, Blue cheese. Dairy products of any kind generally fall under the category of foods harmful to dogs. Blue cheese is particularly toxic to pups. Stilton and blue cheese and Roquefort contain a substance called roquefortine C, which is extremely dangerous for pups. Number 34, Black walnuts. Regular walnuts are safe for dogs to eat, but black walnuts can be toxic to dogs. These black walnuts are specially used in desserts and baked food products. Black walnuts rank among the 5 most poisonous trees of all pets. Number 35, Raisins. Raisins are dried grapes that you should avoid feeding your dog. According to dog experts, raisins are toxic to dogs. Raisins meet those criteria, so it is toxic to dogs. Raisin toxicity is also high, and its reaction is similar to that of grapes multiplied by 2. Number 36, Lemons. Lemons contain a psoralen compound and some aromatic oils that can make your dog sick. That's why lemons are toxic foods for dogs. Yes, you can call lemon a poisonous fruit for dogs. Number 37, Iron supplements. Certainly, iron-rich vitamins are toxic to dogs, especially prenatal supplements, containing higher amounts than standard vitamins. This is because dogs' bodies cannot remove the excess iron, which builds up in the body. In addition to vitamins, cases of iron poisoning can also come from dogs eating oxygen absorbers. Number 38, Avocado. Avocados contain a fungal toxin, persin, that can cause serious health problems in animals, even causing the death of your dog. Avocado falls under the category of major toxic foods for dogs. Number 39, Spinach. Dog experts don't recommend spinach as toxic to your puppy, but it may not be the best vegetable you'd want to feed your dog. Spinach is high in oxalic acid, which prevents the dog's body from absorbing calcium. It is very difficult for a dog's digestive system to digest spinach, which can damage your dog's kidney. Number 40, Macadamia nuts. Any food a dog should ever eat should be macadamia nuts, which are highly toxic for dogs. You should not feed dogs any food containing macadamia nuts mixed in, as it can be poisonous. And finally, for responsible dog owners. As we know, dogs or pets sleep in rooms with us, play, and dogs or pets eat what we give them to eat. Although human food is safe for us, it is not necessary that the same human food is safe for your dogs or puppies. Hope you found this video helpful as a dog or puppy owner. If you liked this video, please subscribe our channel. You can also visit our website for written information: www.dogtoysandAccessories.com. Thank you and stay safe.